Hey guys, Jared here, Scalp International Hairlines, where we have two locations here in Syracuse, New York, as well as Raleigh, North Carolina. Today I want to talk to you about why investing in a scalp micropigmentation procedure can literally change your life. I've gotten my procedure done, probably about 8 years ago, and it's completely changed mine, and every single person I've done since then has made a marked, drastic improvement on their life. Now, if you're not familiar with what scalp micropigmentation is, go to our website to get more details. It's www.scalpny.com. But by and large, scalp micropigmentation is the process of inserting thousands of replicated hair follicles on top of your head to give you the illusion that you have a shaved head if you keep it nice and short like I do. If you have thinning hair, we can do the exact same procedure in your thinning area to give it more of a full look. And this is the only procedure in the world that can camouflage a scar, either from an accident, an injury, or a hairline FUE or FUT transplant. So what I'd like to talk to you about before the actual investment of it is some of the pros of investing in scalp micropigmentation. The biggest pro for me, as most of my clients are, is the speed. Now, it's also going to be a con, but we're going to talk to you about that in a minute. Now, the speed. I can completely if a guy is fairly bald up on top, I can change his look in hours, not days, not weeks, not months, not years. In hours, I can completely change and give you that full look of a hairline that looks like you just shaved. Now that's a huge pro because we're in a time where speed matters. People, we're an attention-seeking economy. Speed definitely matters. The second reason why investing in scalp micropigmentation is a good investment is the downtime. There's very little. All we ask is about 3 days, take it easy, then you can go back living your normal life. Go to the gym, go to work, do whatever the hell it is you want to do. There's very little downtime in it. So typically most clients come in on a weekend and they're good to go by Monday, back at it. The third reason why scalp micropigmentation is one of the best investments you can do to you is really the cost. Now, yes, the upfront cost is a little bit more than you might expect, but if you look at the longevity of scalp micropigmentation, your initial cost and then you're done. Most of the time, most of our clients come back every 4 to 5 years for a touch-up. So let's just say your procedure costs $3,000. If you take that cost and divide it over the next, say, 4 years by the time you got to come back, look at all of the other products that are out there. You have Rogaine, you have minoxidil, you have finasteride, hair systems, hair transplants. All of these over the long run are going to cost you more money. I guarantee my work. You guarantee your work? Yeah. I can guarantee you the results that you're looking for. No other system, no other product, no other service out there can guarantee you that you will get the desired results, the desired outcome that you want. Try going to a hair transplant doctor, going in there, tell him you want a full head of hair. He or she cannot guarantee you that. Oftentimes, and I'm not throwing shade at hair transplant doctors, but oftentimes those same clients come to me in a year or two later and I'm doing the density procedure anyway. Or I'm completely shaving that person's head because the hair transplant didn't work. Now they're out $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, or if they just came to me and did $3,000, they would have been completely done, happy, and lived their lives. The biggest pros are, again, speed. I can get you done in hours, not days, not weeks, not months, not years. The cost, long term, we are the least expensive procedure out there on the market right now. Time, or the downtime, just a couple days. You just relax, take it easy, and then you're good to go. The biggest one is the guarantee. I can completely guarantee you the desired outcome you're looking for. Let's talk about some of the cons, because we did talk about the cost. So it is a pro, but it is a con. Yes, typically, again, you're gonna have to spend that money or your investment up front. Typical cost if you're a Norwood 7 is about $3,000. So you would be giving up your money, but you would also be gaining your confidence. You'd be gaining that peace of mind knowing that you have a nice full hairline and you can put this problem behind you. It is a little, I'm gonna say, discomforting. Sometimes some people, their pain levels are different. Some people it hurts, others it doesn't. It's one of those things, but typically the way you're gonna wanna fix that problem is you're gonna come in, take a couple Advil, and it feels just more annoying than it actually hurts. Another con is there are still some maintenance required. Now, if you're a Norwood 7, that basically means you have hair that grows on the sides but nothing on top. You're still going to be required every couple days. It's going to depend on how fast your hair grows, but you're going to have to shave your native hair to blend in with your new procedure. So you're never fully going to get away with shaving. However, if you are a Norwood 7 without the procedure, you know typically every day you have to shave. So we are able to extend your shaving 2 to 3 days. So it is a con, but it also is a pro. You're gonna always wanna put a good SPF. You should be using a good SPF on your body anyway for the harmful rays, and a good moisturizer on your head. So you're still gonna wanna take care of your skin, especially now that you have this procedure. The better you protect your skin, the better quality your scalp micropigmentation and the longer it's gonna last. Getting this procedure done by a firm that isn't trained well or uses very low quality products. There's a huge boom going on right now of trained SMP artists or untrained SMP artists out there where they can go online, get their certificate, go to a 1 or 2 day class, touch 1 or 2 clients for a minute, and then they get their certificate. I'm fixing more botched procedures now than I ever have in the 8 years I've been doing this. And oftentimes they're so bad, they have to get laser. So a huge con is going to the wrong artist. And that goes with cost. So if you're only interested in the cheapest person, you're going to get the crappiest quality, I guarantee you. So again, as far as the cons go, that's the biggest one. You don't want to end up spending $2,000 on the cheapest artist only to spend $1,700 to $2,000 to get it removed, and then another, say, $3,000 from an experienced artist. You've just tripled your cost. So those are some of the cons of scalp micropigmentation that you want to look out for. But by and large, is scalp micropigmentation a good investment? Well, coming from me, yes. I got it done 8 years ago, maybe a little bit longer, and I've never looked back. My confidence level went up. I looked probably 10 years younger. And I loved it so much, I decided right then and there that I was going to make a complete career change. And I started learning, I started training in this industry, and I haven't looked back. So to me, being a little biased, yes, scalp micropigmentation is the best investment for you. With that, my name is Jared Schoonmaker. If you like this, please hit like, hit subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you'll know when new videos drop. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But more importantly, go to the website, www.scalpny.com. It's going to be in the description. Take a look at our before and afters, take a look at the videos, take a look at all the blogs that we've created, the testimonials, and see for yourself if this is the best option for you. With that, we'll talk soon.